क्या करेंगे थक्के,
चल लगा दे धक्के, क्या करेंगे थक्के लगा दे धक्के,
बिन बुलाई मुसीबत से पंजा लड़ाने से हम ना डरे,
जोर लगा के जान लड़ा के
बोलना।
सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे, ला 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 ले, देखो ज़मीं पे उतरे हैं सितारे,
सितारे।
सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे, ला 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 ले, देखो ज़मीं पे उतरे हैं सितारे।
What a beautiful performance. You really touched our hearts, dear students. Now, it's time for a song presentation by Naisha Bhalodia. Ek Zindagi Meri, Sau Khwaisha. Today, as the lights brighten the stage and the curtains rise, we welcome you to our annual concert, Echoes of the Earth, a celebration of our planet, our culture, and our responsibility. The earth speaks to us in many ways, through the whisper of wind, the rhythm of the rain, the silence of vanishing forests, and the cries of endangered lives. These are the echoes we often forget to listen to. Through music, dance, drama, and expressions, our students will give voice to these echoes today. This program is not just entertainment. It is a reminder that Earth does not belong to us. In fact, we belong to the Earth. Every step we dance today, every note we sing, carries a message of love, care, and hope for our planet. Our young performers are the future guardians of the nature. With their innocence and creativity, they will take you on a journey across lands, cultures, and elements, showing how unity, respect, and sustainability can heal our world. Let us applaud their efforts, encourage their message, and promise ourselves to listen to the echoes of Earth, not just today, but every day of our lives. With this thought, let us begin our annual concert and celebrate art with awareness, joy with responsibility, and dreams with purpose. Welcome to Echoes of Earth. Thank you and enjoy the event. First of all, let me introduce the characters of the show. Arav, a curious child, mother, Aisha, a guide, Ravi, a friend, Mohit, a friend, and a mystery character.
मम्मा क्या मैं पूरी दुनिया देख पाऊंगा? ये बुक में दुनिया देखना बोरिंग है. आई वॉन्ट टू सी द रियल वर्ल्ड.
जरूर बेटा, अगर सपने बड़े हो तो ये दुनिया छोटी लगने लगती है.
कहाँ? गूगल मैप पे. हे आरव, मुझे वर्ल्ड टूर पे जाना है.
Then get ready because today we are going on a magical world tour. Tour जहाँ हमें ना passport चाहिए, ना visa चाहिए. Only dancing shoes required.
Wow!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Magic Flight. Fasten your seatbelts as we travel across countries, cultures, and dances.
Our journey begins in India, the land of unity in diversity. India is not just a country, but it's a beautiful family with people of different religions, cultures, and languages who lives here together in peace. India teaches us respect, values, and togetherness. Every festival here is a celebration of life.
Don't forget one more. Taj Mahal is also one of the most beautiful monuments in the world. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Everyone, hold your seats tight. From classical mudras to folk beats, India dances with diversity. Let us celebrate this energy with a beautiful performance by Senior KG Group A students. Namaste, India.
हाय देखो इंडिया नमस्ते 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 इंडिया नमस्ते 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 इंडिया नमस्ते Namaste. Where dreams turn into reality. Beyond Bollywood, devotion, determination. Beyond Bollywood.
यहाँ अलग अलग है जात पात, कहीं रात में दिन है, कहीं दिन में रात। यहाँ अजब अजब है बात बात, कहीं मात में जीत है, कहीं जीत में मात।
Namaste, 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 India. Namaste, 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 India. Namaste. Namaste. Where dreams turn into reality. Beyond Bollywood, devotion, determination. Beyond Bollywood.
Wow, what an amazing performance they gave.
How was it?
Super.
What an energy! ભાંગી નાખ્યું, તોડી નાખ્યું, ભૂક્કો કરી નાખ્યું.
We now fly to Japan.
Oh, a place where cherry blossom bloom. You know, Japan is a world leader in technology and innovation.
Yes, Japan is known for its advanced robotics like Honda's Asimo, a humanoid robot that can walk, run, and interact with humans. Japan has also revolutionized transportation with Shikakasen or bullet trains, which travels over the speeds of 320 km per hour.
That's faster than a dream.
Yes, making travel fast and efficient. Besides that, Japan leads in electronic and gaming. It produces some of the most cutting-edge gadgets. Japan makes the best robots. Would you like to see something live?
Yes, yes.
Now, let's welcome students of Group B of 2nd Standard. Dear parents, please remain seated at your places. The videos will be available on our YouTube channel.
जापान तो हो गया, जापान में नहीं जाना।
Roboda, Roboda, Roboda. Zoom, zoom, Roboda, Roboda, Roboda. Boom, boom, Roboda, Roboda, Roboda. Zoom, zoom, Roboda, Roboda, Roboda. Isaac Asino ka khela hai Isaac Newton ki leela hai robo Albert Einstein ki buddhi hai robo Hey robo, yo robo, hey kitna acha come on let's go Boom, Roboda, Roboda, Roboda Zoom, zoom, Roboda, Roboda, Roboda Boom, boom, Roboda, Roboda, Roboda
Wow, what an amazing performance.
स्वीट तुम्हारे में नहीं है इजिप्ट में नहीं है मेरा
Wow! What an energy! In Japan, tradition meets the culture. In Japan, tradition meets the future, showing us how technology can improve our lives while keeping the culture alive.
Hey Aisha, can we go there?
Of course! What a beautiful library! Ravi, look! I found an old Egyptian book.
Really?
It has a picture of pyramid and a button that says press to explore. Should we press it?
What could happen? Ah.
And just like that, our explorers are transported thousands of years into the past, into the land of Egypt. Get ready to witness the mystery, culture, and grandeur of ancient Egypt.
Get off the wall, bounce that booty. Hey!
Egyptian. If you want to find all their clothes, they hanging out on their dollar shop. They sing and dance, tomándose better down the rum. On the top Chinese beat, they shake their body boy, call their permanent. En Chinese no, brincando el algo loco. Todo el mundo le mide un sello.
वाह अमेजिंग। अभी हम यहाँ कैसे आ गए?
Who are you? What are you doing here?
We were on a world tour, but
But what? Don't be scared, those. Come with me. I will take you to your next place. Tell me, where do you want to go next?
China.
Welcome to China, famous for disciplined dragons and the Great Wall of China. Do you know about the Great Wall of China?
Yes, it's very long and very old.
it is one of the 7 wonders of the world.
Yes, and it shows China's strong history.
China teaches us the value of discipline, strength, and unity.
What is this?
देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Now, let's welcome students of Group A of First Standard.
From Chandni Chowk to China, जाने कौन हूँ समझ आई ना. From Chandni Chowk to China, जाने कौन हूँ समझ आई ना. वो शक्ल से देखो मैं सीधा साधा, वो सब कहते हैं मैं हूँ राजा नहीं अब मैं.
ये गिलेगा चलकर किसने फेंका? All right, Chinese भाइयों सावधान.
From Chandni Chowk to China, जाने कौन हूँ समझ आई ना.
From Chandni Chowk to China, देखा कभी है तूने आईना. ओ शक्ल से लगता है बिल्कुल चोकर, अकल से जीरो तू गिर जाएगा जो लगेगी ठोकर.
छोल है सारा छोल है ये प्यारे, छोल है सारा छोल है ये प्यारे. ओ छोरी ने जो छेड़ा है छोरा, ओ सपना कैसे देखो अपना छोड़ के ये है दौड़ाने. From Chandni Chowk to China,
देखा कभी है तूने आईना.
ये गल तू समझ ले पंगा तू जरा कम ले, जबरदस्त मैं हूँ मस्त मुझे मत तू सता.
कुड़ी मैं लड़ाकी मुझसे डरते खादी खाकी, मेरे लट में है बट 6 फुट चल जा.
इमली जैसी तू खट्टी मीठी,
मैं हूँ बिजली पल में कर दूंगी अब तेरी छुट्टी.
छोल है सारा छोल है ये प्यारे, छोल है सारा छोल है ये प्यारे.
वाओ, जोरदार परफॉर्मेंस.
Superb, fantastic. Hey guys, are you ready for our next destination?
Yes, boss! Now we have landed in United States of America. USA is one of the most powerful and diverse country in the world. It is known for its freedom, democracy and equal rights. Freedom fusion of fun ki land. पहले Wild West के cowboys. Bold steps, strong spirit.
Hey, cowboys!
Yes, cowboys. Today's America is a beautiful mix of different culture, different dances and different dreams. But one nation, one heart. Chalo dosto, chalo. Let's ride like cowboys.
Now, let's welcome our senior KG students of Group B for Cowboy Dance.
Part 2, USA.
अपना काफी चला, लोगों का दिल जला, यारों का दिल मिला.
मोहब्बत का यही सिलसिला. मुकाला मुकाबला लैला, ओहो लैला. मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला, ओहो लैला.
Dear parents, it's a humble request that kindly don't go backstage because students will be dispersed from the stage after the program is over. Kindly follow the instruction. पीछे कोई नहीं जाएगा because बच्चे भी disturb हो जाते हैं और teachers भी. So it is difficult for us to manage. बार बार अगर parents पीछे backstage जा रहे हैं तो no parents are allowed backstage.
आयशा इनकी डांस एनर्जी तो देखो.
Everybody, please clap. Beautiful. Shall we go for a walk around the town now? Hey buddy, where are you lost?
Nothing. Can we go there? Yes, okay. Wow, salsa dance.
Now, let's welcome students of 1st standard Group C for a salsa dance.
कदम जो मिले तो फिर साथ हम तुम चले चले साथ हम तुम जहां वहीं पे बने काफिले जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई कदम से कदम जो मिले तो फिर साथ हम तुम चले चले साथ हम तुम जहां वहीं पे बने काफिले सुनी बोले सारी रारी रारी ये दीवानी का है शो mon amour सपने चल पलकों में भर ले आज सारी खुशियों से याराना कर ले आज सारे सपने चल पलकों में भर ले आज सारी खुशियों से याराना कर ले तेरा दीदारा सुनो तो यारा आजा कर ले मनमानी थोड़ी हो Say 1, 2, 3, 4 mon amour छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई कदम से कदम जो मिले तो फिर साथ हम तुम चले चले साथ हम तुम जहां वहीं पे बने काफिले ज़मीं बोले सारी रारी रारी ये दीवानी का है शो mon amor te doy mi corazón mon amor te doy mi corazón te doy mi corazón mon amor te doy mi corazón
Fantastic.
Hey, listen. Our next destination is Saudi Arabia.
Awesome, yaar.
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
काइफा हल्लुक?
मतलब इसका हिंदी मीनिंग क्या होता है?
इसका मतलब आप कैसे हो?
कैसा लगता है मैं?
वल्ला।
Do you want to come with me?
Where?
Come, I will take you to a beautiful land of vast desert.
Today we'll explore the beauty of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has cities, deserts and holy places. Makkah and Medina are some of the holy places for Muslims. Millions of people come every year for Hajj and Umrah.
Let's present our tiny toddlers of nursery.
علامتي حبيبو علامتي حبيبو دالي علامتي حبيبو علامتي حبيبو
Jackass.
It was awesome. I really enjoyed it. Hey guys, look. I think we are on top. Now we are in Africa.
Africa speaks through drums, storytelling and vibrant moments. Every beat echoes community and deep connection between human and nature. She dance is not just a moment, it is a tradition storytelling.
Now, Let us feel the powerful drum sounds, energetic steps with the rhythm and joy with the energy of Africa. Now let's welcome students of 2nd and 3rd standard.
Naga Maya Tura Shaila Akira Nakaye Weya Haya Somarani Natakae Oyate
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we get it closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all. Believe that when you phone it up, oh, and if you phone it up, Zamina, Mina, Zangarewa, 'cause this is Africa. Zamina, Mina, Waka, Waka, Zamina, Mina, Zangarewa, this time for Africa.
ತಾನಾಣೆ ತನ್ನಿನರಿ ನಾನೇ
Waka waka my hey hey, waka waka my hey hey hey. 'Cause this is Africa. Zamina mina hey hey, waka waka hey hey. Zamina mina sangalewa, alawa. Zamina mina hey hey, waka waka hey hey. Zamina mina sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tango hey hey, tango hey. Zamina mina sangalewa, alawa. Tango hey hey, tango hey. Zamina mina sangalewa, this time for Africa.
What an energetic dance.
Ha ha ha! Wonderful! Can someone tell me where we are going?
Today we are going to explore a beautiful country called Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world, stretching across 2 continents, Europe and Asia. Russia has made an incredible contribution to science and space exploration.
Did you know the first human journey into space was by Yuri Gagarin, who